everybody, it's Miss Chloe from Naples Regional Library here for another DIY Monday. Now, if you watch my videos, you'll know that a couple months ago I made a DIY hand scrub using just a few ingredients like coconut oil and sugar. So today I'm going to show you how to make a similar recipe. We're going to call it a foot scrub. So all you need are these ingredients that you might have at home. You'll need some coconut oil. I have 1/4 of a cup here already melted down in the microwave. You can do that at about 20-second intervals and stir it until it's melted. And then you'll also need about 2/3 cup of sugar. The ratio is you definitely want more sugar than oil, so when we mix them together, we are going to do it slowly and make sure that we add it a little bit at a time as we stir. Now also to your scrub, you can add essential oil to make it smell really good. I happen to have sweet orange and also some food coloring if you want a little extra pop of color. So I have all of my ingredients here. I'm gonna get an extra cup so that I can mix. I'm gonna take some of my sugar and pour a little bit into my mixing cup. We'll start with just a little. And then I have my melted coconut oil that we're gonna mix a little bit at a time to make sure that we don't do too much. So grab your spoon and start stirring. You can see it starts to sort of congeal together. This is a pretty good consistency, but now I'm going to add more of my ingredients. I have my sugar and some more of my oil. Let's keep stirring. You can see that this consistency is a little bit too wet. I want it a little bit more dry. So I'm gonna add more sugar, soak up some of that oil. And that looks pretty good. I'm gonna add about 10 to 15 drops of my essential oil. Already smells really good. And I'm gonna add a little bit of my food coloring. Just a couple drops. You don't wanna stain your hands, but as long as it's washable food coloring, it should not matter. So we'll keep giving this a stir. Looks like it's turning a good color. I'm gonna keep stirring this and we'll show you at the end what it should look like. So as you can see, this is a great small batch sugar scrub. You can use this on your hands or your feet. If you're gonna do it as a foot scrub, I recommend maybe soaking your feet with some Epsom salts and then giving this a good scrub. And it's good because you don't waste a lot. You can see I didn't use all of my ingredients because we wanted that texture to be just right. So I hope you enjoy, and we will see you next week for another DIY Monday. Bye, everybody.